Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Today, Gulf Stream swimming pool heat pump. It looks like it's a box where you connect everything. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not gonna fix anything. This is for my customers that want more. If you want to press on the bottom, it's going to be links in the comment, or you can press on the right, the little eBay. It will take you to my YouTube, and all the links are there. It will take you to the store. I don't know why it doesn't take it straight, but that's the way it is. If you want to find all the items that I have for sale, right? I also want to do the video in Spanish, and then voy a hacer video en español al final, mi gente. Alright guys, I'm going to go little by little. Like always, in case you're new in my store, remember, so for parts, maybe you need this part, maybe you need that part. That's the way I run my business. It can be 100% working, or maybe something is wrong, I don't know. I'm going slow in case you're looking for something burn or anything, and the little green dot down there, you know more about me. I learned those things after the years. The customer's always teaching you, always. Actually, everything that I learned from the customers. Okay, this cable was, let me close it a little bit. This cable was like that, just put it like that. I put a strap, the same with this one. I put a strap. Okay, I'm gonna close this. I guess you already got everything you need inside there. Down here, do not connect, blah blah blah, it has all that. Okay. Gulf Stream. And I guess you see when you connect there, I guess it's a ground. And all these cables you got going on there, I just put a strap. I have to cut it to hold it like that. I can show you the video. Alright guys, you have it here. You know, I sell full parts. Maybe, who knows, maybe you just need the cables. I'm playing. You never know, maybe you need something inside there. Oh, I think I didn't go wrong. Oh, I also have these two things here, my bad. Okay, let me see how we do this. Like that, we can catch it. You have to turn around the camera. We figured it out. And this one, I don't see how much, but I'm feeling I'm getting something, I guess. Oh yeah, I see now. It's the light. Alright, you got it there. Alright, thank you guys. You have it here for parts. Any questions on here, you let me know if you need anything else. Thank you. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Bueno, ya saben, aquí tengo un equipo, me parece que debe ser algo como una de esas, esas piscinas de esas, de las bombas que controlan, me imagino. Cuando prenden, y puede ser que sea hasta agua caliente que pueda controlar, no sé. Aquí está el mecanismo. Ustedes saben, como siempre, yo tratando de poner de todo, uno nunca sabe. Cualquier preguntita, aquí estoy. Ya saben mi gente que este es el link abajo en los comments. Voy a poner un link, a la derecha aprieta, si no te lleva directo a mi página de eBay, te lleva a YouTube. Arriba dice eBay, aprieta y ese sí te lleva, porque a veces tú sabes cómo son las tecnologías y las competencias cibernéticas. Ahí les puse de todo, los cables y todo. Cualquier preguntita, aquí estamos. Ya saben que se una la raza.